One Beacon is a hardworking office building from the 1970s. In 50 years, it is still a very good building that's in high demand. We were given an opportunity to do a repositioning for the building. It's a very valuable asset to our clients, and so we wanted to do something special, and we wanted the fixture to be one of a kind. From a design standpoint, I guess we would say it's high modern, but at the same time trying to get something that's warm and really begins to bring a level of sort of hospitality feel. The selection of the piece, there were a lot of different options, and we found the customization to be the appropriate solution. It feels like the fixture that was installed was intended and designed for the space. And so in the end, it's really quite a talking piece for people that are coming in and out of the building, and really has kind of fulfilled our expectations.